Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the wick in your Zippo flip top lighter. If you're interested in anything you see in this video, the links to them will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check them out and do your shopping from there. You can see we have a Zippo lighter right here, just your classic flip top in chrome. We're going to go ahead now. We're going to take it apart and change the wick. Disassembly is really easy and straightforward with your Zippo lighter. Gently pull out the current insert. Then you can see on the bottom side, we have a screw and a felt pad to remove. Use a screwdriver or you can use your lighter if you want. I've done this multiple times and I've yet to scratch the finish of my lighter. So we got to remove this screw with the spring on it that houses our flint. So there we go. We can just gently set that off to the side. Then we can pull the felt pad out. And now we can see we have some rayon balls in there. Basically, synthetic cotton, whatever you want to call it. So we need to pull these out. So you might want to use your finger if you can fit. Maybe get a tool. So I got a little knife right here I'm going to use to try to get the rest of them out. So just pull them out. And then once you have them all pulled out, we'll be able to access the wick to then pull that out and to swap it out with the new one. There we go. Now you can see we got the rayon balls removed and our wick is exposed. So we can just gently go ahead and we can remove the wick. Once you have the wick removed, you can go ahead, you can take your new wick and reinstall it. Just repeat these steps in reverse order. So for this wick, we're going to put it right back in. I'm going to get that tip wet too, just to help keep everything tight together. And now we're going to feed it right back through the hole in there. And then once we get it through the hole, we can go ahead, you can see, we can work it up the chimney, maybe around halfway, 3/4 of the way. And now we're going to cram the rest of the wick back in there. So you want to kind of spread it out in there, kind of in an S formation if you can. And you can refer to their user guide if you still have yours, or you can pause the video here to take a look at how they have the insides for you. So when you pack your lighter back up, you'll be sure that you're doing it properly. So now that we got our new wick installed, we need to go ahead, we need to take the rayon balls that we have, and we need to start putting them back into the lighter as well and to pack them down. Now that we have everything packed in, we're ready to go ahead and put our felt pad back on. So just gently push that in place, making sure you don't have any overhang of any of the rayon balls on the sides or anything, just the felt pad. Now we can drop our flint back in. So go ahead, you can drop that right down in there. And now we need to go ahead and put the spring back in with the screw. At this step, just be careful that you twist it in place without it popping back out. It's definitely under a lot of pressure as you get it started and get everything threaded back down. So we're tightening it back down right now. Just do finger tight, then you can use your case if you want to tighten it the rest of the way. Now you're ready to go ahead, put the insert back in the lighter, and you're free to start using it again. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.